Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something that literally shapes how you move through the world, your posture. It's one of those things we almost never think about, but wow, does it impact everything from our health to even our mood?
Oh, yeah, you know the one. Stand up straight. We've all heard that, right? Probably from a parent or a teacher. And yeah, it might have been a little annoying at the time, but it turns out that advice was absolutely spot on. It's so important. And we're about to dive into exactly why.
So, what is posture really? At its core, it's the foundation, the blueprint for every single move your body makes. You can think of it like the starting block for a runner. It determines how well your body can handle all the stress and strain you put on it every single day.
So, why all the fuss? Well, because in our modern world, just maintaining good posture is getting tougher and tougher, and the consequences of slouching, they're way more serious than you probably think. Think about it. Every single day, your body is in this constant battle with gravity. When your posture is out of whack, your muscles have to go into overtime just to keep you upright. This creates a really nasty imbalance. Some muscles get super tight and inflexible, while others just kind of give up and switch off. And that imbalance, it kicks off a whole cascade of serious problems. We're talking extra wear and tear on your joints, a higher risk of accidents, and it can even make your organs, like your lungs, less efficient. It's been linked to scoliosis, those awful tension headaches, and chronic back pain. And get this, it can even mess with your emotional state and how you perceive pain. Okay, so if it's so important, why is it such a struggle for so many of us? Well, the answer is probably right in front of you. Or, maybe in your hand right now. Yep, our devices are a massive part of the problem. All those hours we spend looking down at screens, it basically trains our bodies into that classic, dreaded tech neck slouch. Some studies even suggest that as a whole, our collective posture is actually getting worse over time. Okay, enough of the doom and gloom, right? Let's talk solutions. So, what does good posture actually look like? Well, the secret is all in your spine. This is actually pretty incredible. We aren't born with the ideal shape for standing. A baby's spine starts out as just a single C curve. It's only as we start to develop muscle strength that it forms into that strong, super supportive S curve of an adult. Now, that S shape is created by three essential curves in our spine, one at the neck, one near the shoulders, and one in the lower back. These three curves are your body's built-in shock absorbers. They protect you from the stress of everyday movements, like walking or even jumping. Want to check your own posture? You can try this simple alignment test right now. Just imagine a straight line dropping down your body. It should pass just in front of your shoulders, go behind your hip, then pass in front of your knee, and finally land just a little bit in front of your ankle. That alignment keeps your center of gravity perfectly over your base of support. And since so many of us sit all day, this one is huge. You want your neck vertical, not tilted forward. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not hunched up to your ears. Keep your arms close to you, your knees at a nice right angle, and, this is a big one, get your feet flat on the floor. So knowing what good posture looks like is half the battle. Now, let's talk about actually achieving it. We can start by making a few simple but really powerful fixes to the world around us. These are simple fixes you can do today. Adjust your screen so it's at eye level. That'll stop you from craning your neck. Think about how you sleep. If you're a side sleeper, putting a pillow between your knees does wonders for your spine. Even your shoes matter. Go for good arch support. Every one of these small changes really adds up. But here's the thing, redesigning your space, that's not the whole story. Maybe the most important and honestly the most surprising part of maintaining good posture has to do with something else entirely. Okay, this right here might be the most important takeaway. We tend to think the goal is to find that one perfect posture and just hold it all day. But that's just wrong. Your body is designed to move. And as this says, regular movement, even with not so great posture, is so much better than being frozen in place. So the real key is to move smarter. When you carry stuff, keep it close to your body to reduce strain. Wear your backpack with both straps so it's symmetrical. And if you have a desk job, the best thing you can possibly do is just get up and move around often. And of course, exercising regularly keeps all those core support muscles strong and ready to go. All right, so let's bring it all home. What's the ultimate takeaway from all of this? What's the real core message when we talk about posture? It all comes down to this: strong muscles.
See, exercise doesn't just help your posture, it's the foundation for supporting your entire body. We're talking your joints, your bones, and even your brain and heart. Everything is connected.
So next time you hear that familiar advice, you'll know exactly why it matters so much. It isn't just about looking better. It's about feeling better, moving better, and living a healthier life. Because yes, you really should stand up straight.